So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to avail the educational discount on Apple products in Apple's educational store. So first of all, let me show you guys the website and the discounts. So this is the Mac section. Let's check something like the Mac Mini, for example. Like Mac Mini starts at 58,000. Now you can actually go ahead and check it, select your configuration, or let's check out something like the MacBook Air. Now the MacBook Air is a much better option for students, I think so. And let's go and select it. So you can see it's like starting at 84,000. You can go ahead and select some more RAM, some more memory. Now let's look at the official store of Apple. So let's go and click on buy on MacBook Air. So as you can see from this, like it's priced 92,000. There's almost like 10,000 9,000 difference between educational store and the official store of Apple. It's almost the similar. You can again go ahead and add your memory and RAM and all those things, but you're actually saving a lot of money, especially when it comes to the MacBook Pro as well as the Mac Mini. Now to avail this discount as well as to get verified for this discount, you need to actually have your campus or college email ID, which is provided by your college or your university. Now if you don't really have one, you can actually contact the regarding department or the IT department, whatever it is there in your college, to get the ID. And if you're someone in the 12th or 11th grade, you can actually ask someone elder than you, or someone who actually works like a staff or teaching members also have this email ID in colleges, so you can ask them. So most of the time it looks almost similar to like this one, campus ID at college.edu.in. Like for example, I can say 123456 at manipal.edu.in. like that is like how email ID would look like when it is provided from your university. Now after getting that thing, you can actually go ahead to the Apple's website. Now once you're in the Apple's website, you can go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the website, where you can find a section called for education, and beneath that you can see Apple and education. So you have to go into that website. Over there you can see university students, so we have to click on university students and then click on shop. So as you can see, now we are redirected to Unidays website. Now click on verify on Unidays, and then you will see this page where you have to click on continue. So as you click on continue, you can see that you are presented with this screen. So click on join now. Over here you have to give your personal email address as well as create a password for your account, and click the necessary checkboxes, then click join now. Then after that you're greeted with this page where you have to give your name as well as your year of study. Then you can continue to give your email ID provided by university, then you're verified, and then you can actually log in using this, or you're actually redirected to the educational page where you can see the Macs as well as iPads which are available for the student discount. So talking about the iPad section, actually there's not a huge difference, but it's almost sometimes it's like 7,000 and other times it's like just 2,000 difference between the Apple store and the educational store. Do note that only iPads and Macs are available on the educational discount in the Apple store. If you want anything else, you have to actually go through the Apple's official website to buy something like AirPods or iPhones. So they are not included in the educational program. So that's it guys for this video, and see you guys in another video. Also consider subscribing to the channel, as I'm gonna post more content like this, as well as turn on the all notification bell to get notified whenever I post new content. And also comment below, do you guys feel these discounts are useful, and are you guys gonna utilize this? So thank you guys.